Hello, I'm Mr. Eaton. I'm the instructor for Life Science GSU 1132. And if you're taking this class to fulfill your science or math credits, congratulations. I hope you'll enjoy the class. I want to welcome you and greet you. This is going to be basic uh, information that we'll be studying in life science. Some of you will find the material review of material you've had if you took a fairly normal high school life science course or biology or dealt with physiology. We'll be studying things like the cells. We'll be studying cellular energetics and cell um, construction or how cells are put together. We'll be looking at their structural functions, the organelles that drive the functions in cells. We'll be looking at cell reproduction, and then we'll be leading into genetics, and through genetics into frontiers in science, dealing especially with some of the current studies and current practices and things that are being explored in life science. We'll also take a look at evolution, and we'll take a look at creation. Our textbook for this course is The Sciences, an Integrated Approach by Trefl and Hazen. My opinion, as a secular textbook, it is excellent. As an introductory textbook, we use it for both the life sciences and the physical sciences. The thing that I want you to keep in mind is that with all of our reflective writings, you want to be sure to include a bibliography at the end. I know it says it's optional, but for the reflective writings, I do require a bibliography on every one of the 8 reflective writings we turn in, and each of those to have the bibliography including the textbook and your Bible. Those two at a minimum, and then later you may have some other resources you pull up in your research. But those are important because they will become your tools for reference as we go through the course. Be sure at the beginning of the class that you have gone into Blackboard, and if you scroll down through the announcements that are in there, you'll see one that talks about taking the mandatory exam or test at the beginning of the course. It's basically an attendance quiz, and what it is your affirmation and your commitment to take the course all the way through. And it is required, it's actually a federal requirement to verify that you are in the course. And if you don't take it, and you don't take it early within the first couple of weeks of the class, you may not be fully registered and you won't get full credit for the course. So that's a must. It's a federal requirement, especially if you happen to have any federal student loans. Okay, that said, I am looking forward to getting to meet each of you. If you go into the community posts in Blackboard, you'll see it over there on the left-hand menu when you first log in, and tap into the community posts and go into introducing yourself in the course introductions, and then I will respond to you. I'll also encourage others. If you want to respond to one another, you don't have to respond to everybody in the class, but it's certainly one or two, and you may even see people you know, and you may want to just pop in and respond to their introductions and just say hi, let them know you're taking the class as well. This is a 16-week regular semester course, but it's 8 lessons. That's how we're able to make it self-paced. I'll have more information on the self-pacing later on, how to go about scheduling yourself. There's going to be some self-discipline involved. That's something you'll have to be sure that you wrestle with within yourself, because that's one of the things that will make you successful in the course. For now, greetings, welcome. I'm really glad you're taking the class, and I'll be talking to you in more detail in the weeks ahead. I'll be talking to you again very briefly in just a couple of days. Thank you for taking the course, and I hope you enjoy it.